Imagine this. You're navigating a rocky trail, the sun is shining, and the horizon stretches endlessly before you. The engine beneath you hums with power, and every twist of the throttle sends a thrill through your veins. This isn't just any SUV, this is the Tata Nexon, a machine that redefines what a compact SUV can do off the beaten path. If SUVs had a personality, the Nexon would be the adventurous, fearless explorer, the one that's always ready for the next challenge, whether it's a muddy trail, a sandy dune, or a rocky mountain pass. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you conquer. The Tata Nexon isn't just a compact SUV, it's a revolution. Since its debut, it has set new standards for what a small SUV can achieve, combining rugged capability, modern design, and cutting-edge technology. It's the vehicle of choice for adventurers, families, and anyone who values versatility, durability, and style. But what makes the Nexon so special when it comes to off-roading? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just an SUV, it's a celebration of adventure, innovation, and performance. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about compact SUVs and off-roading. Myth number 1. Compact SUVs can't handle serious off-roading. Wrong. The Nexon is proof that size doesn't matter when it comes to capability. With its high ground clearance of 209 mm, water wading capability of 350 mm, and robust build, it's ready to tackle tough terrain. Myth number 2. Off-roading vehicles are uncomfortable and impractical for daily use. Think again. The Nexon features a plush interior, advanced technology, and a smooth ride, making it as comfortable on city roads as it is on rugged trails. And myth number 3. Off-roading requires expensive modifications. Not the Nexon. With its factory-built ruggedness and advanced features, it's ready to hit the trails straight out of the showroom. It's not just an SUV, it's a smart, versatile choice for modern adventurers. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Nexon even more. Did you know that the Nexon is built on Tata's Impact 2.0 design philosophy, which combines bold styling with exceptional durability? That's right, this SUV is as tough as it looks. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Nexon comes with multi-drive modes, including Eco, City, and Sport, allowing you to adapt to different driving conditions with ease. For off-roading enthusiasts, the Nexon's torque-on-demand system ensures that power is distributed efficiently to the wheels, giving you maximum traction on uneven surfaces. It's not just an SUV, it's a technological marvel. But the Nexon isn't just about raw power, it's also about comfort and convenience. The interior is designed with adventurers in mind, featuring premium materials, advanced technology, and plenty of storage options. From the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system to the semi-digital instrument cluster, every detail is designed to make life on the road, or trail, more enjoyable. And with 5-star safety ratings from Global NCAP, the Nexon ensures that you and your passengers are protected, no matter where your adventures take you. It's not just an SUV, it's a sanctuary on wheels. Think about the last time you felt the call of the wild. The Nexon is here to answer that call. With its rugged design and advanced features, it's the perfect SUV for tackling tough terrain, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising down the highway in style. Whether you're navigating rocky paths, crossing shallow streams, or climbing steep inclines, the Nexon is ready for anything. It's not just an SUV, it's a solution to the challenges of off-roading. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Nexon isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as powerful as it is reliable. The Nexon offers a choice of engines: a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that delivers 118 horsepower and 170 Nm of torque, and a 1.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine that produces 108 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth, responsive shifts even on challenging terrain. The Nexon's independent suspension and hydraulic power steering provide excellent handling and stability, whether you're on a dirt trail or a paved road. It's not just an SUV, it's a dependable, capable machine. But what really sets the Nexon apart is its commitment to safety and innovation. This is an SUV that's packed with cutting-edge technology, from the multi-drive modes to the advanced driver assistance features. The Electronic Stability Program (ESP) traction control and hill hold control ensure that you stay in control, even on slippery or uneven surfaces. And the rear parking camera and sensors make it easier to navigate tight spots, whether you're in the city or the wilderness. It's not just an SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of off-roading. So, what does the Tata Nexon mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have power and comfort, capability and style, adventure and safety. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and adventurous as you are. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're exploring off-road trails, navigating city streets, or heading out on a weekend adventure, the Nexon is the ultimate companion. But before you hit the road, or the trail, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of adventurers and car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of thoughtful design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Tata Nexon isn't just an SUV, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: power, comfort, and adventure. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates the journey itself. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in off-road performance? Because the Nexon isn't just an SUV, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.